So we entered DT725 from Madagui. Yep, so I think we are in Lamdom already. Okay, here we go. That's done. Now we are on country roads, not on highway anymore. Woohoo! I love these twisty roads. Wow! These turns are so good! Yo! So these roads are much better. It's more engaging than the boring highways. So I prefer to take these roads. We're trying to catch Chi. Don't know where he is, so he's also enjoying the route. That's what it means. If I can't find him. Wow, these routes are just amazing. Oh, found him. There he is. Wow. Woohoo! Woohoo! Never going the highway anymore. Oh my god, look at this. Trees are just amazing. Never going to the lot via Madagui anymore. Just come to Madagui and get this and then go to the lot from this way. I think that's so much better. Having fun? Wow. Look at this view. Oh my god. Okay. I'm having so much fun. This is where I belong. I don't belong on highways. I actually hate highways, to be frank. It's too sleepy and too boring for me. But yeah, all sporty guys, I know you guys love the highways. I guess I need to slow down and wait for Chi. I got too excited. Okay guys, the twisties has begun. Here we go. Twisties. Wow. Okay, the Honda has amazing control over twisties, even though it's a 2118 on tires. But yeah, it's so nice. The route is just so beautiful. Wow, that's a big turn. Woohoo! I can't believe this. This is so nice. this place is so good. Okay, I need to take my boys here. I'm in the riding club. I don't think anyone have gone through this. Other probably Ngap might have, but for the rest of them, I don't know if they have ever tried this route. By the way, majority of them are Vietnamese. So, wow, look at this route. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why haven't I tried this route before? Oh, wow! I just love it. What? I just hit my shoes on the ground. Oh my god. Woo-hoo! We are climbing. Oh, we are climbing. Oh my god. This is so good. Wow. I feel like I'm on a roller coaster or something. You know, just going up, down, turning. Okay. I think I need to find a spot to wait for Chi. But what do you guys think about this route? DT725. It's worth it, guys. Give it a shot. Wow. Okay. We need to stop here. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna stop here, wait for Chi, and take some photos. Alright. The route is so good. Okay. We are going through rubber plantation now, I think. Similar to Kerala. നമ്മുടെ മലയാളികൾ പ്രേക്ഷകർക്ക് ഇതൊന്നും ഒരു പുതുമയായിരിക്കില്ല അല്ലേ? നമ്മുടെ ഇടുക്കി കോട്ടയം ഭാഗത്തൊക്കെ ഫുള്ള് റബ്ബറാണ്, റബ്ബർ കൃഷി. Amazing food. We had cơm xương and it was pretty good. So ciao to this place. Yeah, ciao. Nice granny, nice food, nice place, and the weather is looking amazing. Alright, so we are gonna do 44k to our Airbnb in Bao Loc. Ooh, this place is so nice. Wow, technical turns. Hairpin. Elbow. Elbow. Okay. But we are climbing, so we need to swallow saliva. I can feel that. Beauty. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy a little bit. Hairpin. Elbow. Wow. The elbow turns are so good. Elbow. Wow, Dubai. Wow, it looks like Dalat though. Look at that. It's like a tower. Watchtower. Wow, look at the road. It's so nice. Wow, so beautiful. Woo! So nice. So nice. Wow. And by the way, the weather is getting a little bit cooler. Wow. Woohoo! So hi guys, we stopped here for some photos. Shot a reel too, so it was fun. And yeah, now we are heading out again on road. Yeah, go on. But I'm going this route all the time from now on to Dalat. I don't want to go through the highways unless I'm in a rush to reach Dalat. Normally we go to Dalat because we want to ride. So why not go this route? This is the best way to go. Wow. Whew. Look at that place. Nice, huh? Yeah. Somewhere. It is somewhere here. There's Zena there. This is Zena. This is where they stay. Ours, I think this one. There. Yeah.